Welcome to the video demonstration for account settings in Canvas. To locate your account settings, go to the global navigation on the left and click on Account. Here you will see an icon for your profile picture, your name, the logout button, and a list of menu options. We're going to start by changing the profile settings and clicking on the profile link. Here you can change your profile picture by clicking on the pencil icon. You can upload a picture from your computer. You can take a picture with a webcam, or you can use one from a Gravatar. On the right, you can click the Edit Profile button, and it will allow you to add a biography or links for others to view. Let's move on now to notifications by clicking Notifications in the menu list. Here you can set notification preferences for all of your courses. There are 4 types of delivery methods. You can be notified right away, which is usually done within an hour. You can be sent daily summaries, which is usually done around 6 p.m. each day. You can be sent weekly summaries, which are done between Saturdays between 5 and 7 p.m., or you cannot have anything sent to you at all. The default email address that all notifications use is your Outlook email address given to you by the college. You can change any of the notifications by clicking on the desired icon. The check mark notifies you right away. The clock is to send you daily summary. The calendar will send you a weekly summary, and the X will not notify you at all. In order to add another email address, simply click on the settings in the menu list on the left. Once in settings, on the right side you will see Ways to Contact. By clicking the plus email address, you can add either an email address or a cell number. These will both need to be registered in Canvas. Clicking Edit Settings button below that allows you to change the language or the time zone. If you have added another email address, it will also allow you to change the default email address setting. Under Web Services, you can add any services that you use outside of Canvas and connect them with Canvas, such as Google Drive or Skype. Another option in the account settings is Files. We're going to go to the left side menu and click on Files. This will allow you to organize your documents or images. You can create new folders to organize your files. You can upload new files from your computer. In addition to seeing the files in account settings, you can also access any of your files in any of your courses. The final item that I would like to address in account settings is the logout button. It is important to click on Account and click the logout button when you are finished using Canvas. This reduces any errors that may occur when logging back into Canvas. This is especially important when using a computer on campus to keep others from accidentally seeing your courses and account information. This concludes the video demonstration for account settings in Canvas. Thank you for watching.